Hi, this is JR Trader with videos about how to day trade using MT Predictor for Ninjatrader. Please remember that all examples in these videos should be considered as hypothetical. No trades are taken. They are shown for illustration and training purposes only. There is a risk of loss in trading and investing. All trade decisions are at your sole discretion and your responsibility. Losses can occur and they will occur. And past performances do not guarantee future results. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's just dive into the video. Hey everybody, this is JR Trader, and I'm here today to show you how you could use MT Predictor to pick out a successful trade in this morning's trading session here. Today is January the 23rd, 2024, and this is from the morning trading where I was a player today. But it was a tough day. It was a really tough day, and you can tell by looking at these candlesticks with all these huge wicks that it was kind of crazy, back and forth, up and down, no follow through, slow, fast, just kind of wild. But at any rate, using the MT Predictor tools, I was able to locate and harvest some extremely good trading opportunities. And I'll just show you how that worked. So basically, what I'm looking for here, we've got this big move down. Everybody sees that, so that's what we're going to talk about. So we see that if you came in, this morning after 8:45, basically, you can see that we had a high up here that was higher than this high back here. So we had a higher high, was the making of a move higher, of another bull run. But market moved down, and we were looking for it to be a correction at that point in time. But it went down and it took out market structure right here. So this became the beginning of a new trend. So we were moving up before, now we're moving down. Okay, so wave one. So this is wave one now. Well, wave one was down. That means wave two is going to be higher. Wave two is important because that's where you get ahead of wave three, because wave three is always going to be the strongest, most powerful wave in the sequence of Elliott wave. And MT Predictor is designed to help us leverage Elliott wave analysis. So if wave three is going to be the biggest wave, it's also going to be in the same direction as wave one. Wave one, wave three, and wave five are all going to be in the same direction. So if wave one was down, wave three is going to be down. That means wave two is going to be up. So what I want to do is find out where the end of wave two is going to be. Now in order to do that, I'm simply going to right click at the top, and I'm going to choose manual WPT up, and because wave two is going to be up, and we're going to go choose wave two or B. Over on the left in the middle of the screen, it tells me to select the beginning of wave one, so I'm going to click there. The end of wave one, I'm going to click there, and boom, it shows me where wave two is. Now, could you have used that information? Is my question. This green line was the 8:30 open. That also happens to be really powerful. It's just part of my own analysis, but in this case, that 8:30 open was the exact top of this pullback. Right into the wave two. So it had some confluence going on there as well. But that was where you could enter and get in the beginning of wave three. Now let's try to figure out where wave three is going to go. Where is this market likely to end up? Well, you can already see that I have a decision point from earlier in the day that's drawn here still, and it ended up going right into that decision point. So that was a prediction that was already made before we even started this video. But another way that you could have done it was to calculate where the end of wave three is going to be. Now this could be an ABC and the market continues up, but it also could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where it continues down into this big liquidity zone down below. So we have to look for that. So the first thing that we want to do is look for, well, where might wave three end if we're getting in this short trade right here. So the way that we do that is we right click, we choose WPT down this time because wave three is going to be down. We choose wave three. It tells us to click at the top of one, the bottom of one, top of two. You can see we have a wave three prediction down here below that decision point. Now I also have a decision point calculation that I can make off of this low. Okay, and those come in, there's some overlap there. So these are some areas to consider. Not saying we'll go there. In fact, we'll probably go higher. because we did have a higher low right here, and this little stop area, you can see that the market, where we took the stop from the short trade, the market pulled right back and landed on that stop level and then took off again. So that was a really key level for me to exit the trade, and again, that trade was exited off of this wick. So we pulled back into that, and bang, we were off to the races again. Probably won't make these lower targets. It's just hard to say. Bottom line is, the software is very effective at helping you pick these areas. Let's see if we can see where this might peter out. Let's go to decision point. Okay, we're at the max decision point right now. But our trend indicator has gone positive, so we could go higher. But there's our decision point for right now. Not saying that I would get short here. It's going to depend on what the higher time frame trend looks like. But I want to keep this video short, and I've already gone past short, so I'm going to end it here. Hope that helps. Hope you can see how to use this technology to leverage your own trading. Have a great day. Thank you.